Good morning to my YouTube family. Today I am sharing for you a video which is related to tech. We have made a coffee vending machine in both software and hardware by using microcontroller as well as LCD coding. It was our semester project. Our sir has highly recommended and appreciated it. I can't explain it all in this short video. However, I will tell the name of some components we have used in our project. The first component was 16x2 LCD breadboard, Vero board, 2 batteries, 4 switches, 18F452 microcontroller, voltage regulator and potentiometer.